Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at this portable dog crate. It's very easy to set up. You just lift the arms up from the side. Just like that, guys. You can tie off your dog from the inside with the leash right on here. You can zip up the door. Just like that. You can have it up like this, but it's designed for like this also. So plenty of breathability with all the mesh around it. What's nice is you have pockets for putting stuff in. You have a nice cover that's padded, so it's like a bottom padded piece. And if you don't want to use that, you guys can use this as storage. So that can be used as storage as well. It is very large. In fact, I'm going to demonstrate it for you guys. Each of these can be opened. So if there's an emergency and you need to open it, no problem whatsoever. As you guys can see, a fully oversized grown man can fit in here no problem. Overall, the quality is top notch. Everything about this is easy. You can open all sides. You can allow your dog or pet or whatever animal pet you have to easily come in and out if you want, or easily keep them sealed inside with air coming from all angles, easy to carry. It's lightweight that you can easily move this around. One person can easily flip it or carry it. This is probably the nicest quality, most portable dog crate I have ever reviewed. Very impressed. Very, very, very impressed. And it folds up in less than about 10-15 seconds. You might even be able to do it faster once you get used to it.